No one is successful long-term stock picking? That's false. First off, I'm talking about value investing, not day trading. I'm talking about selecting value assets that suit your risk tolerance and financial goals, not investing based on hype and FOMO. If you're a Warren Buffett fan, do as Warren Buffett does, not as he says. He certainly selects value assets. Here are some of the problems with investing in index funds. You don't get to choose whose company you're investing in. Some of the companies in the index fund could completely go against your moral beliefs. By investing only in index funds, you won't be able to take advantage of dividend payments. If investing in dividend stocks suits your unique risk tolerance and financial goals. By investing just in index funds, you can't recession-proof your portfolio. There are companies that will specifically do better during a recession, and even asset classes like cryptocurrencies. I'm not saying don't invest in index funds. I'm saying understand your willingness and your ability to take a risk, define your financial goals for you and your family, and create an investment strategy that suits your unique situation. Personal finance is personal, and no one cares about your money more than you do.